Hey guys, Mark from Lister Motorsports in Troutman, North Carolina. This is video number 2. This is a 2014 Mercedes-Benz. It is a sport package. We'll do a quick walk around, show you everything. The car has 101,000 miles on it now. I've been driving it every day for the last week and a half. And we'll just get around and show you. The camera's going crazy. Look at these seats. Steering wheel looks untouched. I mean, it's just one owner car. I've got all the books for it. The paint is perfect. It's been garage kept. Beautiful color. Bluish gray. Try to get around the whole car here. The sun's more in the front than the back. We'll see how this comes out. The C250 has the 4-cylinder turbo. I'm getting 29 miles to the gallon with this car. It's pretty amazing. The sport package has the star in the grille instead of the star on top of the hood. There are some minor scratches on the corners of the bumper. An older person had this car, and I'm sure she scraped the garage or whatever. I like to leave that there so whoever buys the car can see that it wasn't damaged beyond that. Wheels aren't curved. 4 brand new Michelin tires. There's probably only a couple hundred miles on these tires. And I hope this video comes out with some background noise, road noise. May have to do this again, we'll see. Like I said, the interior is perfect. XM radio, heated seats. Just got everything. What a great car to drive. Great daily car. Look at these tires. They're just brand new. You can also tell it hasn't been kept outside. Normally these moldings turn white or they fade. Paint's just beautiful. If you're interested, give me a call. 704-508-2150. I'm in Troutman, North Carolina, and we ship worldwide. 2014 Mercedes-Benz C250. 101,000 miles. Sport package. It's got the premium lock package with the push-button start. I think it has pretty much every option offered on this car. Moonroof, sat nav, everything. Paint's unbelievable. Smells like new inside. And if I need another car, I keep this one for myself. Anyway, 704-508-2150. Thanks for looking, guys. Over and out.